Woo. What is up, guys? Today we got a nice little package from Mr. Nola's Glitter. Woo, pretty. And that will work out perfectly for this Tangram. How do you say that? I want to say oh my gosh. I always got something on my hands. Dang. Tangram Tumbler that we're going to do today. I'm going to show you the superest, easiest way to do it. And you know, we're going to use that. I love my airbrush. Woo. If you don't have an airbrush already, please, come on. Do you hate yourself? Click the link in the description. Go get you a super cheap, easy, beginner starter airbrush. Then come back and join us. Geez, man. Let's go. Now, a lot of people use a little fancy brush. I just use my finger and do like this. Drizzle, dizzle, wipe. I like being able to feel it and know where my epoxy's going. So you can feel here, up, not there. Here, ooh, super slick. So, I don't know. You do you. You do what you want to do. Nobody's going to judge you. Just get it on there. Quit being so picky. And just the top, I do like this, just so I can get my fingers all the way to the top. Don't go and stick your fingers in there or pull them this way and just sweep it. Just like that. That's my technique. That's how I get a nice rim. I usually don't even have to cut the rim, so booyah. Don't forget its butt. Now we're going to take our tiny little torch and crap, I'm out. Okay, plan B. We're going to use heat gun. Now, we're just going to take whatever kind of glitter. You want it to be kind of silvery so that your airbrushing will show up over it. And we're just going to load that bad boy up as it spins. Watch it when it comes back around. It's going to be ridiculous. I'm catching it in this plate. I usually use a piece of paper or something, but whatever. No big deal. Don't be picky. Ooh, that's pretty. And this glitter is called barrel proof, which is pretty rad. Look at that. I might try to throw a little bit of this in here too, why not? Little interesting spots, just to make a little difference. So we're gonna leave some of it this color. All right, now I'm gonna take it off and stamp it on the bottom. No need to be gentle. It probably won't go through if you did the chunky ones. Go ahead and tap some of them bad boys down. Get down real low at it. Tap it down. Give it a little tap, tap, tap it. That's all. You just lay down flat. That'll make your next coat way smoother and easier. In case you're wondering, the chunky one I put over was called Manhattan Jack.
A few moments later.
Okay, it's just slightly tacky. Listen to my gloves. That is perfect. Usually, if it's not glitter, I'll take my finger and just feel on the bottom. If it's just slightly tacky, you are ready for the next layer. Now, same as usual. Rub it. Oh, this feels so good. Listen, take care of this thing. Rub it and treat it nice, and it'll treat you nice. Give it a nice massage, rub it around. You know, how any of us will want to be rubbed down with epoxy, and your tumbler will thank you for it. Don't forget its butt. Since my other propane tank was out, I went and bought another one. What you want to do, just go swipe one direction all the way down and go one rotation all the way around. If you go too much, the epoxy will get too hot and it'll start to sag, and the parts where it sags creates bubbles, and that's a no-no. Patience, grasshopper. Lightly torch and then stop. Leave it alone. Let it roll for a little bit. Come back in 10 minutes. Check out your coverage. Get a nice little angle where you can catch the light with your eyeballs and see if you got it covered. Not, you can get a little bit drizzle dizzle more, touch up a spot, torch it, boom. Man, that's pretty. Look at that. It's little teeny bits of holographic in there, silver. Got some blacky, sparkly holography. Woo! Focus. Come on. Oh, what? That back there? I'm going to give that away at the end of this video. Somebody is going to be announced that won this thing. Thank you to everyone who downloaded my little image there, whatever you call it, my file. I hope you created some beautiful things, and I hope you enjoyed the collaboration we did. It was so awesome, so exciting to see everybody's cup designs using Power Wash and my drip lips that I sent them. If you created one, be sure to post it on Instagram, tag me on the picture. I'll share it in my story. I've loved this. I need to come up with another idea like this. Like, that was fantastic. I love it. Look, got my name on it. Somebody's gonna win this at the end of the video. Stay tuned. Woo! And thanks again to Mr. Nola's Glitter for sending me all this beautiful glitter. And now, it's a shame, but I gotta sand this down because we're gonna do our next step, which is put our thingy on there. And then we're gonna airbrush the sections. Well, don't get ahead of yourself. One step at a time. Man, that's so pretty. I'm just gonna look at this for a minute. All right, now we're gonna put our pattern on here, and you can get this file, link in the description, and go download this file if you want to do it this way. I did make it so that the bottom sits flush and then the top overhangs. You just cut it off, which we'll do later. But it looks like I made it a little bit too short. I wanted this to meet here. It's not a big deal. I'm going to put a monogram right here anyway. But I will adjust the file before you're available to get it. So no worries. It'll be perfect. We're going to get this on, do it like we did in this video here with the full tumbler wrap. Kind of the same technique there. This is the last bit of this holographic vinyl, and I don't want to screw it up. Also, I'll put a link in the description for that if you like that kind of stuff. It's the same as I did on the geode tumbler, which is right here also. Hey, we'll just watch all these videos. Let's go. So basically I lined it up. I take this side down and I'm moving it over to the other side, and I'm going to cut a little section away of the backing paper. Kind of cut it in a straight line. And then I'm going to put it together. Got this down. See, it still lines up. If you rub your fingers slow, it'll automatically push that backing paper out. But you want to make sure, see when you got some cut edges, like make sure that it comes off the paper, that you still don't have any stuck to the paper right here. If you do, just back up, push it down again, and basically just take your time. And don't get too stressed, because if you screw up, I mean, it sucks. But really, how hard is it to cut out some more vinyl? Really, come on. Okay, so I'm just going to put this on like this. I'm going to get the camera out of the way here, and then I'm going to show you my socks and sandals. I think that's why the art comes out so good. All right, we got it all on, and let's start peeling it off. The mask back and whatever you call it. Who cares? Reveal your beautiful. Look at that. That holographic is sick. Now, some of these squares, or whatever shapes they are, they're going to stay silver, and some, oh, I'm going to blow your people's minds. Because wait till you see the colors I'm using, especially one color that I'm going to use. You guys would have never thought. And I'm going to pull this off and we'll be right back. Look how perfectly the bottom lined up and stops. That's exactly all you need right there. It's fantastic. Now the top, I'm going to run a little piece of tape, give me a little border, run my little blade and just cut off the little excess. I might just do it freehanded because I'm crazy like that. And I'm going to put my signature on the bottom. You know it. We know it. Let me show you the colors. I've been procrastinating, guys, because I'm a little nervous what you're going to think about these colors. Well, the one color. I just might as well just go ahead and do it. Let's just go. Just do it. So, for this cup, I am going to use, I'm not focusing yet. I'm waiting. It's dramatic. I know you can probably read it, but here we go. That's right. Flamingo. What? Oh my gosh. Are you serious? You're seriously using flamingo? Yes. Yes, I am. I'm gonna use it because maybe I've been too harsh on the flamingo. I need to give him a chance. You know, I mean, he may be beautiful. Flamingo, for all the times we had where we've quarreled and fought against each other, it's time to just give in and use it. So that's one of the colors I'm gonna use. Another color is going to be like a navy blue. I might use some gold. I haven't decided yet, but I know I'm going to use some purple as well. I want some of the navy to fade into purple because that's something I've never seen before, is like one of these sections have a fade in the section. What? Nobody's done that. I've never seen that before in my life. It's usually a solid color like a vinyl or a glitter, but some of them I'm going to do a fade, and I feel like, wow. And these colors in this holographic is going to be insane together. So let's get started. I'm excited. Okay. I don't really have a plan here for what color's going where. I'm just going to do it however I feel, and I feel like it'll be awesome. But I am starting with my darkest color first. It's kind of navy, but they call it denim. And I'm just going to spray in the square. I don't really care if it goes over a little bit or whatever. But if you really want to, you can just tape off your area and spray it. Or I even thought about taking all my colors and just spraying randomly and maybe even misting with some alcohol like I did in the geode video, then putting this on, which I feel like you can't really go wrong either way. I feel like it's going to be beautiful. I did it this way because I wanted each one to be its sort of own color, not really being too picky on that. So let's just start with the darkest color. Let's go. Always make sure you put your cap on. I've screwed up a bunch of stuff by sloshing paint everywhere. So let's just pick one and start coloring it in. What do you say? Ooh, look at that. That's so easy. Oh my gosh. And I'm barely pulling back on the trigger. Air all the way down always. And you can go as dark as you want. All right, I'm just going to show you what I got. That was super simple. Did you see how easy that was? That's way easier than taping it off, taking it, putting glitter, glue, whatever in each color. Because look, check it out. Look at that color. And you could go darker. But look, it looks like I used a different color glitter. What in the world? That's so easy. Oh my gosh. Life hack, Jack. Let's see. Oh my gosh. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pick some random ones, do my navy color. Wow, I cannot look at that bling that is showing through there. Man, that's sick. What? That's like a sapphire jewel or something, topaz. I don't know. Thing gonna be blinging out. It's gonna be. I'm gonna set this up in the jewelry store. Golly. And what? And what is crazy is I sanded this, so this is matte looking. Can you imagine when I get the epoxy on there? Oh my gosh. Let's just keep going. Oh, it's so exciting. All right, I'm pretty happy with those. I tried to hold it up and do a little time lapse so you can see it. I did get some overspray because I was kind of trying to hold it away from me and up so you could see it, but it's not a big deal. Once we get the other colors on there, it won't be a big deal at all. I left this for a fade. I feel like that'd be cool. And I want to give you a pro tip on this real quick. You see, I don't have very many because I'm gonna get a few the where I want it. The place I want it, where I want it. How you say that? I don't know. It doesn't matter. You know what I'm talking about. Jeez, stop judging me. It's not English class. But I'm going to put a few of these till I'm satisfied. Go on to another color and get them where you want them. And then you can see where you might want to add another dark color. Maybe you want to put two side by side. But you can always go back and add more later. And even, whoa. And even if, say, I did this one with the flamingo, I can go back over it with a darker color and it'll cover that up because this color is darker. That's why I start with the darkest one first. And you know what? I know that this is not the darkest color. Next, from navy. But we're just going to do it. We're just going to do flamingo next. Come on, flamingo. Don't let me down. Here it goes. Nothing. It's actually not too bad. I am going way over the lines. It doesn't matter. Wow. Guys and gals, I need to add some right here. Whew. I think I have found a newfound love for flamingo. This color, it's just insane. It's really beautiful. Look at that. Like different colored jewels everywhere. Man. Focus. I don't know. What do you think? Flamingo for the win? I think I've been converted. Yeah, hate to say it. I believe I've been converted. Flamingo is now a winner. So I still don't have a plan. I'm just going to keep going with these colors. I've got a few more colors I might try. I might do like this wild plum faded into the flamingo, then add some more, just a little color pop, just some contrast. As long as you're going light darks kind of beside each other, it'll look fantastic. If you do too many darks and too many lights beside each other, the contrast won't be as impactful and visually appealing. But you do it. You do you. Hey, I'm not telling you. Be free. If you feel like putting it here and there, just do it. Just do it. Don't stress about it. That's why I didn't stress and try to figure out, oh, I want this color here. Oh, I need this one here, this, and label all of them before, because that's dumb. That's not free and that's not fun to me. I don't know. You do what you want to do. You might be a little more picky than me. I don't know. But I always like the way it comes out pretty much. You know, if I don't, I'll say I will, and I'll lie to you. Whoop. I don't lie to you guys. Okay, I said too much. All right, I did want to show you guys real quick. I did tape off when I decided to do gold because gold is metallic and it's thick. And it sprays weird and it's hard to control, and I did have to put a little dash of alcohol in it to get it to spray because it is metallic. I want to show you guys that, and I'm still just playing around with the colors. I'll come back to you when I get done, so it's just taking my time. Carry on. That turned out beautiful. Look at all them colors. It's like I got all them colors of glitter on there. The gold's pretty solid, but still, I believe that's a great contrast. And listen, I know this is probably definitely faster than painting every square with the glue and doing every square a different color glitter and then laying each, oh my gosh, I would go nuts. I would not do it. Laying each one of those little strips and a strip. I like 50 million strips that you'd have to do on here. I'm sorry, I would not do that. And I know that this was probably faster, but it still took way longer than I expected it to, way longer than I wanted it to. Ooh, that's cool. Look at that. And here's a life hack for you. A lot of you have seen this. Whoa, easy boy, easy. Calm down. A lot of you've seen this in my videos before. My magic eraser pencil. I have it on my Amazon store, and I'll try to remember to put a link in the description. But I did get a little heavy, especially on the darker colors. And then all you gotta do with this little eraser pencil, and I remember I did this on my Mustang video where I did the chrome. It erases alcohol ink colors, and you can erase it right on the little vinyl, or if you get it on this other part, boom, erase it, wipe it off, keep on moving. I thought, hey, everybody needs to know that. So boom, there you go. Get you one of those. And I'm gonna seal this with my Rust-Oleum 2X Mate Clear. There's no A there. Wait a minute, I'll fix that. Clear A. That's a long A. All right. Clear A. There, fixed it. Mate Clear A. And then, if you want to, listen, you're new to the channel, you don't know much about this stuff, there's a video right here, shows you how to use this stuff. All about how you want to do it. Shake it, I'm gonna clear it, then we'll epoxy it, and then you'll see how bling bling and beautiful. I mean, this is flat now because it's sanded. But when I put the epoxy on there, these colors are probably gonna like sing. Hey, well, what do you know? They do sing, and they're beautiful. It's one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen before in my life. Look at that. You wouldn't know. Like, if I told you this one color glitter, you wouldn't believe me unless you just watched the video. Then, I mean, you'd have to believe me because you saw it just now. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. Can you see that? Does that show up? Fantastic. Wow, look at that. Ah, I'm so happy. It's probably, I hope I'm happy because I'll probably not do another one of these again. But now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Whoops. It's time to give this bad boy away. For that, I uploaded every one of your order numbers into the pooter. Because I put in your order number, when I pick it, I'm going to have to look it up. So I don't know who it is. And then there'll be that much more suspense when I show you the order number. Then you're like, well, I don't know. I don't have my order number memorized. And then I'll show you the name. And then you will know if it was you or not. Was it? Was it? Do you want? Look, should I just quit stalling and just go ahead and find out if you won? But first, make sure you're subscribed. Hit that thumbs up button. And if you didn't win, listen. I don't want any sore losers. Don't give me any thumbs down because you didn't win. Okay? Just good times. Hey, still, if you make one of these, post it on Instagram. Tag me in the picture so that I can see it. So it shows you're tagged in this picture. Because if you tag me in the description, I get so many of those that I miss those too. So I'm sorry. But if you tag me on the picture and it says, hey, you're in this picture. I say, oh, really? Let me go look. So I'll go look. I'll see. I'll share it on my story. Win-win. Let's go to the computer. Okay, we're on the pooter. I got all of your order numbers that got the drip lips. And as my appreciation, I just want to pick one of you guys to give it to. And I think that'll be awesome. Here we go. Let's shuffle it. Do a little shuffle. Do a little dance. Move it around. And now, I mean, I guess there's nothing else to do but to do it. Here we go. Are you excited? I'm so nervous. Why am I nervous? I'm like giving this away. Like, I just want everybody to win. I'm sorry if you don't, but I'm so nervous. My hands are sweaty. Oh my gosh. Listen, I appreciate every one of you who like the channel, who watch. And also I want to say, those of you who watch the channel and give me your attention, like, that means so much to me because that helps support this channel and be able to do awesome stuff like this. So let's just go. Oh, and what did you think about the collaboration? Oh my gosh, if any of you have an idea like that, just drop it in the comments. I'll be looking for something cool like that to do again. I loved seeing not only all the YouTube Tumblr creators, but I love seeing all of you guys's when you tagged me on Instagram and I could see it and share it. And this is a crazy awesome movement. So here we go. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. It's just going to punch up a bunch of numbers, though, because we won't know who it is yet. I got to look up the numbers. Oh, my gosh. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, the suspense. Bro, where's the number? Oh, there it is. You are 549729362. You won. Congratulations. I'm just kidding. No, seriously, you did win. But what we're going to do now, we're going to highlight this. And we are going to copy it. Then we're going to go up to my web store and put it in. And Christy Emerson, you are the winner. Let's zoom in there, Christy. Emerson, congratulations. You won. Christy Emerson, this is you. You get this. You won. What? Not the dog. Not the dog. Hey, Paige. You so happy she won? Yeah, me too. Here, you get this. This is yours. It's coming to your house. I'm going to mail it to you. Oh, stretch it out, Paisley. It's good stuff. That's good stuff. Yeah, she's so happy for you. So Paisley says, just go watch some more videos and we'll see you next time. Whoop.